Okay, for this problem, we have to determine a domain in which the solution of this initial value problem is guaranteed to exist. To do that, let's rewrite this in the form of a linear differential equation. Y prime is equal to natural log of t divided by t minus 3 equals 2t over t minus 3, with the initial condition at y of 1 is equal to 2. All right, now where do we get in trouble? For the right-hand side, the domain is going to be everything that is to the left of 3, so negative infinity to 3. Now, why not to the right of 3? We don't take to the right of 3 because my initial condition here is y of 1. So in pre-cal, the domain of this function here would be everything that's not equal to 3. For the purposes of differential equations, however, I would think that at time 1 I get this, but at time 3 I've got a major problem. And so my solution just simply stops at time 3, probably. The second part, the domain, is going to be, well, let's see again. I can go to 3 and not have a problem, but at 3 and beyond I've got a problem because I've got this vertical asymptote. Also, I've got a problem going backwards because natural log of t is only defined for positive values of t. So this domain is going to be from 0 to 3 for this one. Again, I don't go to the right of 3 because my initial condition was y of 1 is equal to 2. And therefore, the domain of the solution is guaranteed to be the intersection of these two things, which would be 0 to 3. And so that's the answer. Before I close this video, I just wanted to point out, suppose that the initial condition was y of 4 equals 2. So I'm changing colors to indicate that I've got a different problem. Suppose that y of 4 was 2 was the initial condition. Then the right-hand side, the domain would be 3 to infinity, to the right of 3 as opposed to the left of 3. Likewise, this part, the domain of the solution would be 3 to infinity. And so the domain of the solution would be 3 to infinity if this was the initial condition. So the domain of the solution depends on the form of these functions, and I forgot to put the y here, I apologize. The domain of the solution depends on these two functions. It also depends on where exactly the initial condition is being specified.